Just give me the trees, I'll make it smoke it, yo. Smoke it, yo. It'll make me please, so don't provoke it, yo. Provoke it, yo. We don't need no speed, so we're not gonna coke it, yo. Coke it, yo. So to mind the teens, we gotta take it slow. So when you see the SB floating, don't provoke him, cause the weed where we smoking need the soaking. Best thing for the meditation, and the best high grade at Jamaican. We wanna weed we supporting and promoting, loud the crack and the coking, hear me shouting. Everybody healing at the nation, legalize it right now, we wobble one every day. We be burning, not concerning what nobody wanna say. We be earning dollars, turning, cause we minded how we pay. Some got gold and oil and diamonds, all we got is Mary J. Legalize it, time to recognize it. This purple haze, it make me crazy, make me write no tune, and that's what pays me. But I'm not the only occupation going to get, so make I give you education. When a farmer grows it, he knows it flows it. The economical benefit helping those who have it. They up on the hard juggling, cause the system money keep man struggling.